This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Your iPad and the TV or Apple TV must share the same Wi-Fi network, and AirPlay must be enabled on the receiver. Once those are set, swipe down from the top right to open Control Center, because that's where you start mirroring. Tap Screen Mirroring. A list appears. If the receiver shows up, select it. You're starting the connection now so you can verify visibility before moving to audio and resolution settings. Once you select the receiver, wait for the iPad screen to appear on the display. That confirms the handshake. If the image looks off, make adjustments. Change the TV aspect ratio or use the receiver's zoom settings to remove black bars. On the iPad, lock orientation or rotate to landscape for apps that require 16:9. Also check volume and app audio output. AirPlay streams both video and sound. These steps ensure image alignment and uninterrupted media playback. To finish, stop mirroring from Control Center or via the receiver's menu. That cleanly restores local display control. Make sure Do Not Disturb is on if you want no notifications during casting. If mirroring fails or stutters, first toggle Wi-Fi on both devices and try reconnecting. If that doesn't work, restart the iPad and the receiver. This quick restart often resolves network conflicts and stale AirPlay sessions, restoring a smooth, low-latency, mirrored experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.